Hey, what's happening? It's Jacob over at Monkey Fab Garage. We just got back from Indianapolis, hanging out with the Team Overboard Monster Truck Show guys. They've got a bunch of trucks, super cool dudes, and definitely opened our eyes to a lot of stuff. So we got a little bit of video. Figure we throw something together for y'all to check it out. We're gonna be back up there in December. Make sure you check that out. Stay tuned, follow along. Hope you like it. Short, but it's what we got. It's cold over here, Hector.
44 degrees, man.
Hector got this wild idea to drive to Indianapolis from Texas. Not my idea, but so we're here and we're going right over there. I can't zoom in, but you'll see in a minute. Hector's got to pee. I think this is the 73rd stop we've made because Hector had to pee. Anyway, we're in Indianapolis. It's cold and we're gonna go over there. You'll see in a second. Hector, do you have a notepad?
For the first time in my life, I don't.
You have a backpack like you're going to school.
I have a laptop, and that's going to be the trick today.
What are you going to do with a backpack with that?
I'm going to hook up.
That's what.
What's up, man?
Logan, welcome. What are you doing, Hector?
Looking for where they routed the ETTs. I think I figured it out.
Did you have to move anything to figure it out?
Yeah, I did a little bit. So we've got on both banks the ETTs run to this CAN module on each side, and that just goes directly to the race pack. So it doesn't go to the race pack at all.
Yeah, because there is no race pack on this.
Well, it doesn't go to the PDM, the race pack PDM.
You're gonna probably end up getting your pants dirty.
Oh yeah.
So I didn't know before, but Hector geeks out on monster trucks.
Yeah.
Like he already knew all of you.
Yeah,
Like. Y'all got bodies just stacked the fuck up.
Everyone's stacking bodies, dude.
Our boss really likes to be upside down. And his son. You can see that we take such good care of our old equipment, really.
Yeah, I'd hang it from the roof of my shop if it would fit.
That's the classic body. That's the wheel and get.
So you're saying you can fit 2 monster trucks in here, and how many sets of tires?
Eight tires.
You put 8 tires in here, all your tools, all your parts, everything for 2 trucks.
Spare transmissions.
1 truck there, 1 truck right where you stand.
I think this is the largest enclosed that I've ever been in. How many, is it 50?
53 foot.
53 foot.
53 foot trailer.
And how tall is it?
Tall enough. I haven't measured. I know we'll drive in here without touching. So we're just gonna leave that at that. If they're broke that bad, we'll figure something else out.
That's wild.
That'll be really funny if it's the internet.
Oh, fuck. So, like,
Rockwell parts call us.
Yeah.